First thing in the morning, I made celery juice. It's the most low-maintenance green juice to make, and I also knew that I had all kinds of holiday festivities coming up, which of course involve lots of delicious food and drinks, so this is my way to balance that out a little bit by starting the day with something fresh and vibrant. Celery juice is supposed to be good for all kinds of things like your immunity, skin, mental clarity, and energy, but I especially noticed that it's amazing for my digestion. For breakfast, I had Anita's coconut yogurt. I don't buy it too often, it's more of a treat, but I had it that day and really enjoyed it. I love having raw cacao for breakfast since I don't drink coffee and rarely drink caffeinated tea, so cacao definitely gives me a nice but subtle boost of energy. So I mixed the yogurt with cacao and had some segmented orange and hemp hearts on top. During the day, I made our favorite caffeine-free chai recipe to post on the blog. I started out by toasting spices: cinnamon, cardamom, fennel, black peppercorn, star anise, and clove. Then I combined them in a pot with organic orange peel, fresh ginger, and water. Simmer that for half an hour and you have the most beautiful chai tea. You can go further by steeping any kind of tea into it, but we really like it as it is, just spices. It's amazing with foamed plant milk and a little bit of sweetener. Also, the spices and orange peel can be re-steeped up to 2 times, which is really cool. Lunch had to be quick because I had to go run errands, so it was just leftover rice with lime-roasted broccoli, tofu, and chipotle cashew cream from our cookbook. Dinner was mushroom pasta alfredo, which is a recipe I'm obsessed with right now. It's part of one of our mini meal plans, which is centered around mushrooms. And that was it. See you guys soon.